Hello class, my name's Daniel and today we're going to learn about water. So, how are you today? I myself am kind of hot and thirsty. Do you know any way I can cool down? Oh, drink some water. That's great. Today we're going to learn about water and how it has 3 different stages that it can be formed in. So before we do that, how about we play a game? So I have this big dice here, and what we're going to do is we're going to roll the dice, and if you get 1 or 2, then can you name a liquid, any liquid? If you get a 3 or 4, can you name something that's a solid? Anything that's a solid. If you get a 5 or 6, then can you name something that's a gas? And we will have 3 teams, row 1, row 2, row 3. You can line up and we will go from there. So please stand up, line up, and let's go. Team 1, you got a 4. So can you name a solid? Pencil. That's great. Good job. Team 2. 3. That's still a solid. How about ice, teacher? Icy. Yeah, that's good. Team 3. 2. Water, teacher. Good job. Back to team 1. 6. A gas. Steam? Vapor? Okay, good job. By the way, can you write these on the board while you're doing it? And let's keep that up. Okay? Let's do 2 more. Oh, all right, 3. Solid. My table, teacher. Good job. 1 more. 1. Oh, water. Coca-Cola. Okay, good job. So, all right, guys. Wow, it looks like we got 6 liquids, 2 gases, and 5 solids. So that's how we'll do it. Now we're going to move on a little bit, and we're going to learn how water can be all 3. So we're going to practice some vocabulary. I have 6 words here in the PowerPoint. So if you please can get out your notebook and we'll write these down and we'll pronounce them. Liquid. Liquid. Repeat with me. Liquid. Water. 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 Gas. 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 Or water vapor. Water vapor. Water vapor. Steam. Steam. Stem? No, no stem. Steam. Steam, by the way, is hot water vapor, like in your kettle when you make tea or when you cook pho in a pot. Solid, solid, solid. Ice, ice, ice. So those are our 6 words that we're gonna learn. Now, I also have a picture for us. So we talked about solid, liquid, and gas. Does anybody know what is water itself? Is it a solid, liquid, or gas? It's liquid, teacher. Good job. Yes. Ice. Anybody know ice? Ice is a gas? No. Good try though. Ice is a solid. And does anybody know what water vapor is? Or steam? It's a gas. Okay. So what we will do, we are going to do a small video so where you guys can act things out. Solid, liquid, or gas.
Move your arms and hands like a waterfall.
Water moves.
Waterfall is a liquid. Stand up straight like a flagpole. A
Flagpole is a
solid.
Good job, solid.
Wiggle your fingers up like water vapor. Water vapor
is a gas.
Roll your arms around like a wheel. A wheel
is a
solid. Let's have more fun and move. Breathe in deep and blow out air. Air is a
gas.
Like a bulldozer. A bulldozer is a solid. Surf and ride the waves in the ocean. The ocean
is a
liquid.
Okay, we're gonna stop it there. Okay, good job though. So we're gonna move back to our book so we can learn today's topic. So on our diagram, I already showed you the picture of liquid, gas, and solid. So we have our circle here of how water can change. Does anybody know how can we get ice from water or solid? Anybody? Oh, okay, John. Can we put it in the freezer? Yes. Okay, we put it in the freezer. And how can we turn that water into a gas? Cook it on a stove. Okay, good job. So we are going to practice these 5 sentences, okay? So, can you repeat with me, after me? Water is usually a liquid. Water is usually a liquid. 2. The water is heated. When water is heated, it becomes a gas called water vapor. When water is heated, it becomes a gas called water vapor or steam. 3. When water vapor is cold, it becomes a liquid. When water vapor is cold, it becomes a liquid. Can you repeat? Good job. 4. When water is frozen, it becomes a solid. A solid called ice. One more time. When water is frozen, it becomes a solid called ice. Can you repeat? Good job. Number 5. When ice is heated, it becomes a liquid. When ice is heated, it becomes a liquid. That's great. So, now I have these. I'm gonna hand about 10 or 12 of these out. Usually one per table. There are 4 of you per table. So what I am going to do, I am going to say water. Okay, what state is water? Anybody? Liquid, teacher. Good job. So, what do you like doing with water? Can you make it on your diagram here? Then you can share it with the classmates around you. Me, for example, I like to shower, or I like to hose fight with the hose, right? Get my friends wet like a party. Maybe my sister likes to swim in water. So how about you? Can you make a small picture or write down what you like to do with water? And I'll let you stand up and you can share with the class. With water, I like to. With water, I like to. Good job. Let's move on. So, how can we make the water into a solid? Freezer, teacher. Okay. So, what do you like to do with ice? Me, I like to, not so much ice, but when it's colder, I like to take water and I like to make a snowman. Or I like to have a snow fight. Or maybe I like to walk or skate on the ice. How about you? What do you like to do with your ice? Can you draw it and share it with the class? Okay, Tina, would you like to share yours? Oh, ice. Teacher, yeah. I like to chew on ice. Or I like ice cool drink down. Oh, you mean cool your drink down. But yes, ice does cool your drink down. Good job. Okay. How about water vapor? How can we make water vapor? Heat up water. Okay, sounds great. By the way, if I had what I like to do, I like to heat up a bowl of pho. Oh, hot pho is better than ice pho. How about you? What do you like to do? I like to go in a sauna, hot tub. I'll give you a minute so you guys can share with the class. Okay? Cool. Now that we discussed that, we can move on to part C, okay? Part C has a few pictures. Can anybody tell me? We have picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 1, what is it a picture of? Anybody? Ice. Oh, great. Let me give you a stamp. I have stamps. Good job. Oh, good job for your stamps. And so is ice, in this case, ice is a solid. So number 2, what is picture number 2? A shower, okay? What comes out of a shower? Water. Water is a gas? No. Maybe sometimes, but liquid, okay? You guys can stand up for number 3 and on. I'll let you come up. We'll have 2 teams. And you can come up on the board. The class will say what it is. And you can write either gas, liquid, or solid on the board for your team. Team 1, 2, or 3. It's an umbrella. Why do we use umbrella? What comes above us? Rain. Rain is go. And I'll pretend this is the board. Liquid. Good job, guys. Good job. Number 4 is, anybody know what is number 4? Oh, teapot. Okay. So, with your lines, what comes out of a teapot? Solid, liquid, or gas? Good job on gas, team 3. Good job. Number 5, snowman. Oh, and snowman? How is the water? It's a solid. Okay, good job. By the way, can we make a snowman in Vietnam? No? Why not? Too hot, teacher. Okay. Yeah. By the way, for the students who got something correct, I'm going to give you a stamp, and this one particular one is I love Vietnam. So good job for your participation. But let's keep moving on. Number 6 is a hose. What does a hose let out? Water, teacher. Water is yes, liquid. Good job. Congratulations. Number 7 is a pot. Okay, and the pot lets out gas. So good job. All right. And last one is a house. On top of the house, there is snow. Good job. Snow is a solid. Good job. All right. So can you ask your friends what's their favorite thing? And after that, I'm going to let you guys spend 2 or 3 minutes to see if you can unscramble the sentences in part D. But I'm going to stop the demo lesson here. And I hope you had a good time learning about the cycle of water in the 3 states.